All right, bro. So what you trying to do with it today? Trying to cut it short?
Yeah.
You got a picture?
I do, yeah.
Okay. So do you want like still a sharp line in the front, or just like a rough kind of look?
I want to do more, yeah, like a rough, like natural
I think
hairline
that
look.
was- okay.
Yeah.
All right, yeah, bet. Let's do it.
Bet,
Yeah,
all right,
that's
perfect.
the one. That's the one. But sometimes the sharp look is like,
Yeah,
like
that's the thing.
Too boxy.
That's the thing. And I didn't want to do like, you know how most guys like get the hairline in the front and then like the waves and stuff. Like I didn't want to do that. I want like more of a natural look.
A messy look.
Messy look, right? Yeah.
Yeah, I like this length right here.
Right there, yeah.
I like that length.
Yeah.
So just match it up.
Exactly.
I'll probably leave it a little longer just because we gonna fade this anyway.
Right. Exactly.
Alright.
Yeah. London Eyes. It's like a big ass Ferris wheel they got.
Okay.
So.
Them joints tough, bro. They called the cements, right?
No, it's like it start with a T. Like
Them joints tough. Ready, bro? It's good, bro. It's good, my guy. Got the cornrows in. I like it. Doing the usual? Yes, sir.
This how I want the top lip part right here, how it comes down.
All right, bro. Check it out, bro.
Stay in the chair for me.
Around just taking cars. Niggas didn't know how to take cars. So we have it all near us, so that way we ain't gotta, take that off all the way here. Now we gotta figure out how we taking this one in. We bring that base in too, so you can clear it. You sure? Yeah. All the way down?
Yeah. To the IV side.
Island. Soccer club.
Past that.
Some shit like, so my foot to vertigo. I said, man, I ain't claiming that shit. You think about school, elementary, how them always used to be. Them shits used to be so
shiny,
and you be like, damn, I wish it. Wow. Walk, look. That motherfucker talking like a short chew though. Which way you going?
This way.
Listen.
Right in front of the
You get to work like this.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Yep. Were you the one I was talking to on the phone?
I didn't take any call about a four door, so.
Okay. It must have been another lady.
But there's no other lady that works here, so I'm confused. Was it today that you called?
Yeah, it was like 20 minutes ago. She
Yeah.
was like, alright, I'll put it in the front. This is the cinema team?
Yeah, it wasn't me, definitely not.
I'm recording.
Oh, why?
On the YouTube.
Oh, okay.
You don't want to be in now.
That's okay.
What's your name?
Maria. I have a lift table. We put that on a lift table.
Also, I'm looking for a powder pin.
It's gonna be on that back wall right back.
Our YouTube. So I did all that because I'm going to be getting some people in the shop with me. So a lot of you guys been on this journey with me. I've been in this studio for about 2 years now. Been doing it all alone, and I think it's time that I bring some people in. I want some people that are going to be on the same type of grind as me, and we can help elevate each other, you know? So I brought in 2 chairs. Just gonna be 3 people, a nice little trio. So I already got my one homie, Barberhead Chris. He's gonna be working with me. He's like my mentee right now. I'm privileged to be able to, like, you know, give him some guidance. We're from the same city. It's gonna be dope. We're gonna be filming this whole process. So stick along for the ride. But yeah, we're gonna get some people in the shop. We're gonna turn up this winter. And again, like, the purpose of, like, me doing this, obviously, you know, to make better use of my space. I'm not always in there, you know? It needs to be generating some type of revenue, you know what I'm saying? So that, and then if I can help out, you know, people along the way, why not? Let's do it. Anyways, it's your boy 4. That's it for this video. I'm out. Peace.